Hello, good morning, children. I am Binod Kumar Yadav, your English teacher. Today I shall teach you tense, chapter tense. All of you are welcome in this class of English practice, chapter tense. Worksheet 1, activities going on. As you know, what is the meaning of tense? Tense is the particular time of an action as present time, past, present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present time shows present time action shows the present tense. Past time shows the past action, and future time shows the future action. Today, one by one, you will complete in your book worksheet 1 activities going on. Number 1, look at the picture, and according to the picture, you have to complete. The class is going on, and teacher is not in the class, and in the absence of the teacher, what the children are doing in the class, the action is activities is going on, and according to that picture you have to complete these sentences. As one example is done for you, Dhruv is drawing a cartoon on the blackboard. Like this, you have to write more sentences and complete the sentence. Number 2, Sahiba is singing a song and encircle the present tense. Raghav and Mohit are fighting. Shreya is reading a book. Write down 7 more sentences to describe what is going on. Raghav and Madhav are flying a paper aeroplane. Alek and Shuleka are playing Kit Kat. Rakesh is eating his lunch. Mahesh is writing a letter. Sohan is drinking water. Priyambada and Vaishnavi are dancing. Sulekha is reading a book. Worksheet 2. Complete in your book according to the picture. What the picture says. Look at number one picture and complete the sentences. A man is playing a guitar. One example is done for you. And like this, you have to complete this. A lady is taking coffee. A boy is playing football. A girl is plucking flowers. A boy is climbing down from the ladder. A girl is playing volleyball. Worksheet 3. Complete in your book. Number 1. My father is going to office. Here all the family members what they act. You have to write your own family members one action in these sentences. As my father is going to office, my mother is cooking, my uncle is going to market, my aunt is worshipping, my brother is doing homework, my sister is being ready to go to school, my grandmother is telling a story, my grandfather is walking, my cousin are playing, my younger brother is sleeping. Worksheet 4. You have to complete in this picture in the past tense according to the picture in the past tense as Isha was reading a book. Here Isha was reading a book. Was is in the past tense. Like that, look at every picture and complete in your book. Write one sentence regarding the picture. Rohan was eating bread. Alek was using glasses. Deepak was watching the clock. Sagar was writing a letter. Sunil was wearing a cap. Deepika was drinking water. Sahil was watching TV. Here, the name of the children may be changed. You can write your family member's name, your friend's name in place of Alek, Deepak, Sagar, Sunil, Deepika, Sahil also. This is your CW and SW. Do it in your book. Worksheet 1 to 4 and learn by heart. Okay, thank you. हाँ